So over here you can see that I have an image file, and if I want to add in a color to this image, then I can click on this image, and on the right hand side you can see fill is an option. Once you click on this plus button, a color layer is added out. So what you can do is you can click here and choose the color that you want, and that layer will be added. And here you can control the opacity. So what is happening is that it has actually added in a layer of color on the top, so you can change around the opacity of the color right here. So apart from solid, you can also go around and then choose out different gradients. So let's say, for example, you can go around into solid, select linear, and there you go. You got linear color right here, as you can see, just like this. So you can go around, change this around, and there you go. There's the gradient color. You can also go around right here, select radial, and there you go. There's the radial color right here, as you can see. Similarly, you got angular color right here, and this is what you have. You got angular sort of gradient right there. Then you got diamond, as you can see right here. You can change this diamond around right here, and you can also go around, change this to another image if you want to. You can choose out the image right here, select out another image of your choice, and there you go. You can control out the exposure and everything else right here, just like this, and work around with that as well. So that is how you can add in colors and gradients and even another image on top of your image inside of Figma in a design file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.